So, you want a guy to think about you all the time, but not sure how to do it? Hello, Queens. My name is Greta Bereisaite, and I'm ladies relationship coach. And I help ladies like you how to become a woman of high value and bring out the best in your man. So, ladies, for the best happy relationship secrets, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified when I post a new video every week. So, you feel like he's not paying much attention to you, doesn't listen when you speak, doesn't ask about your day, and it looks like his interest is fading away. Ladies, no problem. By the end of this video, I will have 3 proven high-value women techniques that you will be able to apply straight away and will get a man not only think about you all the time, but it will increase his love for you and attraction towards you immediately. So, step 1, be mysterious. If you're talking to him all day, every day, sharing your feelings, sharing your emotions, and each step that you take during the day, not only that you're becoming an open book, but you are also showing too much interest, giving him too much safety and security, plus making him bored of you. How? Well, mystery is the power of seduction, not an open book. Actually, think about the songs that men write for women or about women. Have you heard the song where the man is singing, I love you because you share all your feelings with me and talk to me all day, every day? Or do most songs usually go as a mysterious woman, mysterious girl? You get the point? Men love it when you are a bit of a challenge. He loves it when he needs to figure you out. So let him put the puzzle pieces of you by himself rather than giving him your whole life story on a plate or putting them for him. Number 2, control your emotions. When you are with him, if you nag that he doesn't give you enough of attention and he's always on his phone, if you complain that he doesn't talk to you anymore, if you control him by asking his every single step or who he's talking to, if you get jealous, cry, are upset and unhappy with him majority of the time, why would he think of you nonstop? He will likely be more than happy to get away from you and try not to think about you at all. I mean, would you keep thinking of a guy that only gives you negativity and drama? Okay, you might be thinking about him, but would those thoughts be positive and happy or negative and off-putting? Actually, ladies, let me know in the comments below which part of emotional control you struggle with the most. I would love to see your comments. A man will give you what he wants to give you freely. You can't make him give you more by nagging, complaining, and controlling. If anything, he'll start to give you less when you'll do these things. Therefore, control your emotions, enjoy the moment with him, be happy, think positive, have fun. And after a date like that, not only he will remember you and will think about you nonstop, but his attraction towards you will increase also. And as a result, he will start to pursue you and give you more. Step 3, create a fulfilling life for yourself. Chase your goals, not the guy. Go for your dreams. Be a queen. Queens do not chase men. Queens build empires and focus on their own and others' well-being. Ladies, quality men look for queens that we need to pursue and fight for because men love a woman that has something to offer, that is not sitting around and looking for a man to marry her and save her. That's not a catch, that's a baggage. Men love a woman with dreams, passion, who has a healthy circle of friends and a family. If you don't have any of these, focus on creating it first, and then a man will naturally come. And guess what? You won't be needy of him that much, as you will be living a fulfilling life already. And that's when he will feel like he needs you as you're adding to his life. So, ladies, now you know how to make a man think about you all the time. But what about him not just thinking about you, but also making him fall in love with you? What about him just falling head over heels in love with you? Ladies, if you would like that, watch my video right here. I'll put the link in the description box or somewhere on a video, how men fall in love. Also, my queens, if you want to join a community full of women just like you who are practicing how to be a woman of high value by following my relationship secrets, please join my VIP High Value Women Tribe. It's a monthly subscription-based group where me and other coaches answer everyone's questions posted for our live streams. It's private, and confidential. I will drop the link in the video description box below. Also, if you're single, I have a new video for sale where I'm sharing step-by-step guidance how to go from single to a happy, healthy relationship. You can get that video on my website, and I will drop the link in the description below. So ladies, if you liked this video, please let me know by liking it below, subscribe and share it with your fellow ladies, and comment below, was it helpful? And thank you so much for watching. Kisses from UK.